How to save money when you're broke. Don't forget to like, subscribe, send me a DM on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. Because I am the most woke, like Alex Becker, right? All that good shit. But how to save money when you're broke. When you're broke, I mean, set aside 10% of everything. It's the hardest thing to do, trust me, because I didn't even get it down. I'm still awful with it, and I just ended up learning more and more skills to make up with my lack of saving, like in all reality. Because all my money would just go back into my business, and to where now, like, okay, now we're saving. But if I could do one thing to save money when I was broke, I'd take 10% of my money. I would pay myself first. 10% of my money, I would tithe it. And then, yeah, read The Richest Man in Babylon. It'll help out a lot. But just save 10% of everything. Like, all right, this is like going into a savings account. Go and ship it into another bank account. That's the best way you can do it. Because if you can touch it, shit's always going to come up. And shit always comes up. Always. But that's the only way you're gonna do it, dude. Like you got to get used to using that saving muscle if you want to get anywhere. Because if you don't, you're just never gonna develop the skill of doing that, and then life starts to suck.